Good morning, everybody. Today is day 10 of the build. I just kind of woke up. I had a crappy sleep. My brain was going crazy, but got a bunch of stuff to do and just wanted to show you all the beautiful lake. I went swimming last night in a rainstorm and it was cold but amazing. So here we go. All right, great news. As you can see, Robert is sitting on a wheel well. Lovely. Also, what's that? A new wheel well. Look at that shit. Awesome. So now we just got to work on some of the electrical, reconnect some of the wires, and then we can actually replace this floor up to just past the wheel wells today. Amazing. Coffee break. We also scored this really great heavy-duty RV door that, like, style-wise matches the bus so well. We just have to paint it to match, but the round windows line up perfectly. Super heavy duty, and it has a screen door so that when we have the cats in the bus, we can have the door open for airflow, but the cats can't get out because the cats want to get out because they're cats. Speaking of cats, these are the cats. Leilani and Tubbs. Adorable. So before we seal up some of this floor and stuff, we're just going around checking all the electricals, all these lights around the perimeter. Brake lights, signal lights, most of them are working. There's a couple that are wonky, so we're just figuring that out. I think I found the problem on these top lights. They're pretty rusted out. So what I'm gonna do is just take this Dremel bit and go in there and get the rust out a little bit, and same on the bulbs. Robert is under the bus trying to figure out what's up with these wires that run that light, that light, that light, and that light. And sometimes you gotta laugh because you think, oh, I'm just gonna do the electrical. And turns out, oh no, we gotta remove this whole door mechanism and this whole panel on the inside so that we can get into here to figure out, well, we figured out why these lights are not working. We have to repair the wires. So it's lost in here somewhere, of course. Door mechanism gone. So here's our subfloor. It's primed underneath. And I've drawn out where we need to cut away a section. So I'm gonna cut that out and it should hopefully fit right in place. All right, the dry fit works. We have floor again. Second larger chunk, dry fitted in. All right, quick recap for the day. We pretty much got where we wanted to for end of day, so that's good. We decided not to secure the subfloors, so we can still lift them up and access some of the electrical, which was obviously a crazy mess in some areas. But here's where we're at.
Come aboard, look at the floors.
Da-da-da-da. We've got some floors in. Like I said, they're not secured, but they're ready to go. We're gonna work on this part of the bus tomorrow. But yeah, it's nice to be able to walk around again, and these wheel wells look great. Robert is just painting some more rust to rust on some of the stuff that we've scaled up here, but it doesn't actually need a whole lot. So until tomorrow, bye Robert.
Bye.